Hello everyone, my name is Shade Steel, and I'm here to show you how to make some delicious fucking chicken. Well, I went ahead and what you see right now in front of you is the two main ingredients. We got some regular fucking wine and some freshly hunted chicken I found out in the fucking wilderness. Now, I kind of already prepared it, and it's all wrapped up pretty nice, all done by yours truly. So right now what we're going to do, we need to go out and explore the wilderness a little bit more, find some seasonings and some extra little add-ons to make our chicken extra delicious. This includes things like garlic, rosemary, and maybe some little thyme because, you know, you never can have enough time on your hands. We may have to trespass a little bit because it's crazy out there. People try to say they own land, but they don't. We'll see how it works out. But first, we're gonna have to go out in the garage and craft ourselves some of our tools to supervise. Let's go ahead and have a look, shall we? Alright, here we are, mates, in the fucking garage. Gonna need to craft us up some fucking tools to survive. First up, just like you see in all these fucking survival games, we're gonna need ourselves a shovel. So let's go ahead and make ourselves a shovel, shall we? Bang, 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 bang. Oh, well, you look at that. It's a fucking shovel. Perfect for what we need. Next up, we're gonna need an axe to, chop things down and shit. Bang, 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 bang. All right, here we are. We got a fucking axe. Great. Fucking sharp as a fucking whistle. Exactly what we need. Perfect. Hey mates, cheers. How's it going? I'm here at the fucking sewers. As you can see, nothing really fucking around here. But this is the best place to find some garlic. That's not gonna work. Like I said, bring some fucking wine with you. You never know when you're gonna need some. This is delicious. Oh, fuck. So, I'm gonna go ahead and set that down there. But, is that garlic? Oh shit, mate, that's fucking garlic. I better go in there. Oh shit. Garlic. Okay, mates. We got some. It's delicious. Delicious garlic. Okay, next step, find some thyme. We always need some extra time. I'm not doing too bad. I've been wandering around for hours. I only have half a bottle of wine left. I've been looking for some thyme. I need a thyme. Wait a second. Is that what I fucking think it is? Oh shit, mate. It's a thyme tree. I better grab some of this fucking thyme. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh fuck, mate. It's fucking biting me. It's fucking thyme. Ooh, look at that fucking good thyme. Alright, mate. We're in luck. We're just gonna have to get back home and then we'll be good to go. I think I drank too much wine. It's really hard to get up this fucking mountain. So we got ourselves a shovel. It's gonna help us find lemons. We need those lemons. 8 to 10 should be good enough. Basically, oh shit, here's a good sign. You wanna look for a cactus rock. See, they only have one little cactus thing popping out. See what you wanna do. I think I found some. We go ahead and start digging. Hang on. Let me just. Almost there. Almost there, mate. Oh, would you look at that? We got some nice fucking lemons. Ooh, yeah. Oh, she's a beauty. Look at that delicious lemon. All right, let me just do a little digging. I'll get back to you. The last part, the rosemary. But I don't know how I got up here. But we're all out of wine. It's all out, unfortunately. I'm gonna need to find some. Oh shit! I found some rosemary there. Look, we have our trusty axe. Okay, we're almost there. You see it bleeding? It's almost there, mate. Just gotta keep hitting it until it cracks further. You know, just kind of slap it around some. It's almost there. And there we are. We got some rosemary. See, easy as that. So all we have to do now, we'll keep doing this. I'll save you the trouble. Keep hitting the tree and rock together. And then we get rosemary. I think that's it for me. I'll meet you back home. Cheers. And of course, what I go ahead and do is fucking drink all the wine. Now I'm gonna go to the store. I'll be right back. Gotta get more wine. Oh, cheers, mate. We got the fucking wine. Gotta fucking start the car. Rain. Fucking wine ready, mate. All right, now that we're back, we got all of our ingredients. We're ready to cook. First thing you want to do, go ahead and prime your oven. I'm going to go ahead and set it to 375 degrees. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, start. And we'll make sure there's nothing in there. Get that bad boy off. Lemons. Go ahead and grab these. You rinse them off. You want to stick them over there. Chop. All done. Just gonna clean this up here. Tasty. Look at these lemons too. All done. We're done. We got the fucking chicken up prepared for the oven. Go and stick it in there for about 20-30 minutes. Check on it. See what the temperature is on this fucking doohickey here. And we'll see how it is. Don't they look fucking delish?